So, what is the motto of Indian Army?
Seva Paramo Dharam.
Seva Paramo Dharam. That's service before self.
Yes, ma'am.
So, you think you can serve a nation or people before yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
And how can you say that?
Ma'am, I can say this because I have tried to do this many times and I have also succeeded in this. Like, I have tried to help many people before myself. And also, ma'am, if I'll be able to do this when I'm in Indian Army or Indian Air Force, I'll be able to do this. I'm confident in myself that much.
Okay. Can you share some experience about that? Like you said, you give service or help people before yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Like in school, I used to help some of the staff members to do their work, such as to carry the books or carry many heavy things to the staff room that is all that was on the fourth floor. Many a times while crossing the road, some old lady or old man couldn't cross the road. I had tried to help them also.
If I'm not wrong,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are doing this. This is also called social work,
Yes, ma'am.
and you can do social work. Not only you have to join for the Indian Army, you can do on your own also.
Yes, ma'am.
Then why you only want to join Indian Army?
Ma'am, as I said in my introduction, that my aim is to serve the Indian nation, army, and air force.
I think you didn't get.
Sorry, ma'am.
I'm asking why you only want to join Indian Army. As you said that according to our motto,
Hmm.
that service before self,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
you have helped many times
Yes,
also,
ma'am.
but it is also social work,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Then what is the difference between the social work and Indian Army work?
Ma'am, in social work, we that is the persons, they only stay in the cities or towns and help those people who are in need. While as in Indian Army, they try to help every person in irrespective of good or bad. They just have the feeling of helping everyone in their nation and to protect every Indian that they can possibly do.
That's very good. This is the thing that I want to listen. That you have to distinguish between social work and Indian Navy, Indian Army, Indian Forces
Okay, ma'am.
works. Okay, and and as you said that you are from Mumbai, Maharashtra,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So why is Mumbai famous for?
Ma'am, Mumbai is famous for many things. Like it is famous for its foods, its traffic also sometimes.
Hmm.
Some like foods in mention, I would like to say misal pav, vada pav, and samosa pav mainly. These are all the famous foods in Mumbai.
Okay, you have just mentioned about the food,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
you are foodie, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You are very foodie.
Yes.
Okay, as from your physique also, I think you are fond of food also.
Yes, ma'am.
But in Indian Army, as you know,
Hmm.
food is a secondary thing. First thing is to serve the nation,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
for that you have to be physically fit. Are you doing something physically
Yes,
activities or
ma'am.
not?
Yes, ma'am. I am trying to do physical workouts, and also I am doing everyday gym, that is to Monday to Friday, and Saturday Sunday I am taking a leave, as we know that body needs some rest. So
That's very
that's
good.
why I am taking some leave for 2 days. After that, every Monday to Friday I do gym workouts. Along with that, in the morning I do some physical workouts so that my body can handle the stress that is being done while the exercises in gym.
That's good. And what about your academics?
Academics, ma'am, I'm trying to study very hard so that I can ace my NDA examination so as to be selected or be called for the SSB. After that, if I'm selected in the SSB, after that I will be trying my best to be selected in the Indian Army or as well as Indian Air Force.
That's very good. And what about your routine?
Ma'am, I wake up by 5 o'clock, max to max 4:30 a.m. After that, we get ready or freshened up. After that, by 6 o'clock, our sirs take us to gym to train. Before that, they do make us do physical workout so as to relieve the stress that will be put up on the body during the gym time. After that, by 7:30 a.m., we come uh, we come in the academy and after that by 7:30 to 8 o'clock we have to get ready. After 8 o'clock, we are served our breakfast. After that, by 8:30, we are told to study or take rest for half an hour. By 9 o'clock, we all get to study. After that, by 10:20, we all get ready and go to our classes. Till after 10:30, our classes start, and that is till 12:30. The class ends. After 12:30, in between 12:30 to 1:30, we are served lunch and we are given a break. After 1:30, our classes continue till 5 o'clock. After that, I take some rest till 6:30. After that, 6:30, we are called up on the rooftop for our daily prayer of Hanuman Chalisa. After Hanuman Chalisa, by 6:45 we get down, and I mostly try to not use my phone. Mostly I try to call my parents, or I do some study work, such as completing my notebooks that are not complete, or such as to do studies if there is a test tomorrow. By 8 o'clock, we submit our phones and get the food, get the dinner. After we eat the dinner by 8:30, we get back to study again. By 10:30, we study, and after 10:30, we are told to sleep. By 10:30, I get to bed and follow the same routine day after.
That's very good. So from morning to night, you are busy for your studies, either for your other activities and other
Yes, ma'am.
gym activities also.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are ready for your academics also.
Yes, ma'am.
What the things you have learned here that are different from your schooling?
Ma'am, I have learned many things, such as some new things that are included in my studies, such as in geography, I did not know how to distinguish between world geography and Indian geography and economies. After that, I have also learned about Indian politics, also Indian economy. After that, I have also learned about how to improve my English, how to improve my confidence, and how to give an interview. After that, I have also learned about my advanced math, that is 12th maths. Currently I am 10th pass, so I have only completed my 10th maths, but not my 12th maths that I have learnt over here.
That's very good. So I can say that you have a very good and bright future, and very soon we also seeing you in your good post
Thank you,
that you
ma'am.
are going to be selected. Thank you.